You've learned a lot already about words with emotional content that are used in tweets in the United States. We can take this a step further by exploring differences in sentiment and word use by state. First of all, you can take the data frame that you produced earlier when you implemented sentiment analysis and filter for just one state and say one sentiment. This can let you look at, for example, the words that one state uses that contribute to that one sentiment. If you want to calculate a quantity for all the states, what you will want to do is group by state. If you do that, you can calculate some quantity for all the states at once. As we approach the end of this chapter, you are going to use a new function that is from the tidyr package. It's called spread. And what spread does is take a long, skinny data frame, as you see here, and spreads it to make a wide data frame with each group in its own column. You're going to use the pattern we talked about earlier, where you group by, perform a calculation, and then ungroup. In this case, the calculation is finding what the average frequency is for each sentiment in the NRC lexicon in each state by using spread. Sounds interesting to me. Time to get started.